You'll no doubt want to install various different fonts onto your site so that you can keep your pages looking on brand and varied. So I'm going to go into the dashboard just here, and I'm going to go into the website builder and now into font settings. It's really easy to add fonts onto your site. So firstly, you can use this Google Fonts drop-down menu here, and you can also search for fonts as well. And when you find a font, you can add different variants. So this is the variants that are included within this font. I'm going to select the regular and the italic and all the different weights as well. Now, I usually just select one of the languages and then go ahead and click on the Add button. And you can see now this font has been added to the site. I can also add custom fonts using this button just here. So if you do have font files for your particular brand, you can add them in really easily.